guys, kembali lagi di channel saya di DJRT Official 126. Saya akan membuat tutorial cara memakai list layout Pacific. Pertama kita harus farming dulu.
I'm neither the hungry wolf nor the sacrificial lamb.
Request backup.
You down,
Request backup.
this is you on the forehead. You won't even know I've missed.
Launch attack.
Crosshair locked you down, dead.
First blood. Launch attack. Initiate retreat. An enemy has been slain. Request backup. An ally has turtle resurrecting soon. Initiate retreat. Request backup. Initiate retreat.
Maaf videonya
An enemy has been slain. An ally has slain the turtle. Your team destroyed a turtle. Launch attack. You have slain an enemy. Our turret has been destroyed. Initiate retreat. Initiate retreat. An enemy has been slain. Request backup. Request backup. You destroyed the turret. Slain. Our turret has been destroyed. Your team destroyed the turret. Resurrecting soon. The enemy has slain the turtle. An ally has been slain. Initiate retreat. Ally has been slain. An enemy has been slain. Initiate retreat. Initiate retreat. Request backup. An enemy has ally has been slain. Request backup. Shut down. Mega kill. Initiate retreat. Turtle resurrecting soon. Backup. Launch attack. Request backup. Launch attack. Unstoppable. An enemy has been slain. An ally has been killing spree. Your team destroyed a turret. You destroyed a turret. Initiate retreat. Request backup. Monster kill. Request backup. An enemy has been slain. An ally has been slain. Initiate retreat. Enemy killing. An ally has slain Lord. Execute.
Since this is so, it's better to
Initiate retreat. Shoot. Request backup.
And you are due.
Request back. Ally has been. You have slain an enemy. Double kill. Triple kill. Shut down. Launch attack. Launch attack.
Come a little closer.